हम सीधे रुख करेंगे राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही का।
उनको अपनी बात कहने का पूरा अधिकार है, लेकिन भारत में अगर कुछ चीज पर उनकी आपत्ति है, उसकी तुलना हाफिज सईद के स्टेटमेंट से करना, वो हाफिज सईद को जस्टिफाई करना है। ये बहुत गलत बात है, ये बहुत गलत बात है। वहाँ देखेंगे लोग और हाफिज सईद ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये
what the minister has raised is a valid point. It's a valid point. I accept. It cannot be done. Yeah. Now, Rajiv.
Sir, I have given a notice.
Rajiv, bolo.
I have given a notice under 267. That is this house should condemn attack on secular fabric of the country. Sir, today the Hindu newspaper reported that Hindu Magasabha wants to install Godse best at public places. And as per the Hindu Magasabha statement, Godse is
no, you give notice for that. No.
And nationalist in that country.
You can, without notice, it is no point of order. You have to give notice. Sri Mystery. It is no point of order. You have to give notice. You are quoting a newspaper. It cannot be a point of order.
Sir,
it is not point of order. You have to give notice, Mr. Rajiv. Ruled out. It is not point of order. Mr. Mystery, what is your point of order?
No, I don't have a point of order.
Then nothing. Sit down. Then Anand Sharma.
राज्यसभा में एक बार फिर से गहमागहमी हो रही है। प्रमोद तिवारी ने धर्मांतरण की तुलना हाफिज सईद से कर दी। धर्मांतरण करने वालों की, जो करवा रहे हैं इस काम को पूरा, उनकी तुलना हाफिज सईद से कर दी, आतंकी हाफिज सईद से, जिसको लेकर फिर सरकार की तरफ से इस पर आपत्ति जताई गई। रविशंकर प्रसाद ने इस पर आपत्ति जताई, लेकिन धर्मांतरण का यह मुद्दा लगातार राज्यसभा में गरमाता जा रहा है, जिसको लेकर कई बार कार्यवाही भी बाधित हुई है। धर्मांतरण का मुद्दा गरमाया हुआ है। राज्यसभा में प्रधानमंत्री के नहीं होने पर हंगामा हुआ है और विपक्ष ने सवाल उठाए हैं। कांग्रेस और बाकी पार्टियों ने विरोध किया है कि प्रधानमंत्री मौजूद क्यों नहीं है।
Sir, if the other house is functioning, if he is accusing us of arrogance of numbers, I would say the other house is functioning because the tyranny of the majority. That is the word, that is the term. That is the term which emerged
Zero submission.
Enlightenment.
Zero.
And sir, you must put the record straight. What we were asking from the Prime Minister was an apology for the Minister of State for the comments she made. Prime Minister did not give that. Prime Minister
now let me take up zero over. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu. Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu, 0 over. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu, 0 over. 0 over. No, Rajiv, you had your chance.
Mr. Anand Sharma has raised the statement.
He said his view.
Sir, statement of Venkaiah Naidu. It was not the arrogance. It was the statement of Venkaiah Naidu in which he has alleged that Hanuman Rao had made disparaging remarks against the Prime Minister.
No, that issue is over now. Sri Anand Bhaskar Rappalu.
The ruling
0 over. No more discussion on that.
No, sir. Chair must protect the member.
You got your say.
Of the house.
You got your say.
Sir, what I am saying,
The leader of the house asked you to say.
after checking the
You got your say.
that the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs,
I will go through the records.
and the Honorable Member Shri Hanumant Rao
I
did
told-
not use any abuse.
I told you I'll go through the records.
Against the Prime Minister of India.
I told you I'll go through the records and do the needful. If any correction is needed, I will do that. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu.
माननीय, मेरा टाइम तो ठीक करो, कम से कम मेरा टाइम तो ठीक करो। माननीय, another statement of this nature. No, where are we going with this? These are the times of turmoil.
No, Ayakali Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu. I think now it's okay. Sri Ananda Bhaskar Rappalu.
Let the time be corrected. Let the time be corrected. माननीय सभापति महोदय,
The treasury benches are calling us anarchists and arrogant. This is the tyranny of the treasury.
You say your piece, Zero hour. Another Bhaskar Rappalu, start your pathetic condition of viewers. Start, please.
Treasury is in disorder.
No, then I will call the next person.
No, I am on my leg.
Either you start or
I am starting, but keep the house in the order.
No, Sri K.C. Tyagi.
No. How come?
Do you want to raise your Zero hour?
Yes, I am mentioning.
Then do that.
I am mentioning Upasabhapati Mahoday. Whole of the country is facing turmoil situation.
What is the issue?